Okay, now that we have created our init file, our routes file and rumpy, and we have created our .flaskenv file for these two environmental variables, we are going to make something a little different, because in our routes.py we got our page that has been rendered here, but we don't want to have our home page into this string here, because it will be complicated to make more complex pages. So we are going into our blog and we are going to create a new folder called templates, and then in this folder we are going to place another file called, for example, index.html or homepage.html. So here we are going to create some HTML tags like body HTML and h1 welcome to our home page. And some hello world here in this paragraph tag. Then let's give some style to our page, and we wanna give the body the color of the text. We want it to be coral, and while the background color will be just black. Okay, now let's save this page. Let's go into routes again, and let's go here and from Flask import render templates, and here we are render template, and okay, from Flask import render template. So now we are gonna return render template with the name of the file homepage.html. Okay, let's see how this works. Let's save this one. Let's get back to the terminal. Let's get into our scripts folder. Let's activate our blog environment here. Let's go into our blog folder where the code is, and let's Flask run. Let's go into our site, and here is our home page in Coral or something like that. I got the dark mode, the way of seeing the pages. Okay, welcome. There is a mistake here. I'm gonna change it so you can see that the mistake is done here. Welcome to our home page. Let's save it. Let's go back to this one. And here it is, our home page and hello world. So now we have made simple the way to create the home page. All our HTML file will go here in templates, and in routes they will just return render template with the name of this one in our views of the home page, like we learned in the last videos. Thank you for now.